Hi, I would like to share with you today a delicious lentil taco recipe. I really love whole food, simple ingredients to recipes. So here are the ingredients to the delicious lentil tacos. 1 cup of lentils dried, 2 cloves of garlic chopped, 1 onion chopped, 1½ teaspoons of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Of course, you can definitely alter the cumin, garlic, onion powder, and salt based on your taste preferences. I put the lentils, the 1 cup of dried lentils, into a pot with 3 cups of water initially, and it should take around perhaps 15-20 minutes for the lentils to cook. So while the lentils are cooking, I'm going to work on the other ingredients. I'm going to add a little bit of water and also onions, the 1 onion to a frying pan. I'm just going to saute the onions in water. The original recipe, which I'll link in the description below, called to do it in olive oil, but it's healthier with just water and tastes just as good. You cook the onions for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. Our onions smell really good, and I just added the spice mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, and salt. And now I'm going to add the 2 chopped cloves of garlic and then cook this together for 2 or 3 more minutes. The lentils are cooked now, and I just added them to the onion and spice mixture. And now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of water to cook the spice mixture into the lentils. I just finished cooking the lentils, and I added a little more salt, cumin, onion powder to the mixture because my husband likes a little more flavors. You could also add paprika, oregano, whatever spices that you would like. Let me taste these lentils. Delicious. Now I need to work on the taco toppings. Now for the toppings. You can put whatever toppings on the lentil tacos that you want, but I've cut up some arugula that's fresh from the garden, cilantro, tomatoes, olives, red bell pepper, and I'm gonna put a little bit of hummus, but you could do cut carrots, you could do avocado, so whatever you wanna put on your tacos. So I'm just gonna put a little dollop of hummus on corn tortillas. That's what I'm using for these tacos, and I've just warmed them. So just a little bit of hummus, and you don't have to do this. This is totally optional. And then I am going to put our lentil filling. And I'm going to add the toppings. I'm going to start with arugula, some cilantro, some red peppers, some olives, and finally tomatoes.
That's very good, thank you.
And that's lentil tacos. Enjoy!